Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the ElevenLabs unusual activity detected issue. So, this problem has been frustrating users for months and the solution isn't readily available online. But don't worry, I will guide you through how various reliable methods to use ElevenLabs for free. First, let's talk about what's causing this issue. So ElevenLabs considers using multiple accounts on the same device as misuse. Many users take advantage of the free plan by creating multiple accounts, which leads to ElevenLabs to flag their IP address. However, this issue can also occur if you're using a VPN or sharing an IP address with someone else who has an account, whether it's in your school, home, or workplace. Even temporary IPs on mobile networks can trigger this problem. For example, I experienced this issue after repeatedly generating free text-to-speech files. Once your IP is flagged, free access is blocked. Now I will share some methods to resolve this issue. So let's dive into the first solution. Solution 1. Change your IP address. According to ElevenLabs, flagged IPs can no longer use the free service, but your account itself isn't banned. Using unique unflagged IP circumvents the restriction. However, avoid VPNs. ElevenLabs advanced system can detect VPN use. If you don't know how to change your IP address, you can go ahead and search for how to change IP address, and this method requires care ensure your new IP isn't already flagged. Now let's move to second solution. Upgrade to a paid subscription. You can simply navigate to My Account button at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on subscription and navigate to the subscription page. You can see that you have a free subscription. Now, opting for a paid plan is a foolproof solution. This issue only affects free tier users. Paid subscription is starting as low as $1 for the first month on the starter plan. Gives you uninterrupted access and extra features. Trust me, ElevenLabs high quality human-like text-to-speech is worth the investment. You can simply click on the subscribe button just under any one of these plans. For example, starter, I'll click on subscribe. It will take me over to this page where I will have to just enter my payment information and click on subscribe. After this, completing the payment will instantly make sure I get the ElevenLabs subscription and this problem won't happen again. Now, solution 3 is try an alternative software. If the first two solutions don't work for you, consider alternatives. One excellent option is play.ht, which offers a free plan for generating up to 10 to 15 minutes of audio. Its voices are nearly as lifelike as ElevenLabs, and you can even add emotions or clone voices. Now play.ht is a fantastic backup for anyone facing issues with ElevenLabs. Now solution 4 is use in incognito mode. Finally, you can use the ElevenLabs free sample to text speech generator in the incognito mode. This tool allows you to create audio for up to 333 characters. When it stops working, simply close and reopen an incognito tab. In order to do this, click on this three-dotted icon at the top and choose New in Private Window or Incognito Window. Now, search for ElevenLabs. Hit enter and log into ElevenLabs using the incognito mode. And this can be a great solution for those facing this problem. So, these are the most effective ways to solve ElevenLabs unusual detected issue. Personally, I recommend upgrading to a paid plan or trying play.ht for a hassle-free experience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.